Critical infrastructure matters to us. Rajant has the latest, greatest technology for critical infrastructure that's out there.
Kinetic mesh networking, the breadcrumbs, how they work, it allows us to do things that we can't do with standard Wi-Fi easily.
Rajant is so complementary to so many different technologies. It's very simple, secure, reliable.
We have seen an astonishing ability to be seamless, moving object, going from a part of the network to another part of the network.
Rajant really does magnify the capabilities of communication into very unique areas, very challenging areas.
It is very, very critical that we have network and connectivity. We have AMRs, AGVs, ASRSs, robotics, and we want to make sure that it's going to work.
In traditional Wi-Fi, when you add more devices, it gets worse. Being able to plug additional units in and they automatically mesh with the other systems. As we add robots, the system actually improves.
It can work with other technologies, hang off an LTE network, and can actually bridge that gap from one technology to the other.
Their security protocol exceeds what's out there. The military uses them.
The Kinetic mesh is quite unique. The flexibility of the Rajant hardware is what's critical.
The ability to integrate with GPS, external location services are important when you're highly mobile. Having that open architecture and open ecosystem, they allow me to integrate some of the reporting in a standardized platform. All those things are great benefits to me.
With our inspection robots, it's not working if the latency is too high. It's stopping, literally stop, because it's a mission critical. It cannot afford a vague decisions. With this mesh network, we could easily pilot and drive a robot that was 1 mile from where we were, something that we could not do before. It worked seamlessly.
In warehouses where we work, sometimes we need to support standardized Wi-Fi devices, RFID scanners, things like that. And that backward compatibility is important. But I also need to support robots in a very difficult RF environment where the mesh actually works quite well. So having both of those solutions in one package is really a game changer for us.
The mesh network can deal with the moving and the reflections and all of those intricacies and complications.
We provide the wireless connectivity to moving fleet inside the mining open areas, underground. Rajant provide a military-grade product that's suitable for this harsh environment.
I was involved in the first underground leaky feeder systems deployed in the world back in the 80s. So I've seen the entire mining communication infrastructure evolve. And to be back at the forefront with a technology that is a hybrid technology that can work with LTE and any other technology, provide voice data, and all the automation that goes along with that, I'm very excited.
Open architecture enables interoperability between systems. Rajant is always looking ahead.
To continue to roll out new relevant technology at good price points with great features.
The expansion under Industry 4.0 of industrial IoT is going to be really about device management, fleet management at a scale none of us have really seen before, bringing connectivity to every part of a critical infrastructure site. For us, that means ruggedized, resilient solutions. And I think Rajant really just haven't scratched the surface on the opportunity ahead of them.